Bonjour, we are looking at how to say shut up or shut up in French, and there are two main different ways that you can use. This is the first one, tais-toi, tais-toi, literally meaning, shut up. That's what it means, tais-toi. This one is fairly polite, like it's not too strong, unlike this one that is really more informal, more slangish if you wish, or really much stronger. Ta gueule, meaning shut the F up, really. Shut your mouth, really, is what it means, in a bit of a rude way. Ta gueule, if you don't want to be polite and you want to be a bit strong and a bit rude, maybe, which is appropriate, I guess, sometimes. Ta gueule or tais-toi. You can say, if you want to say really politely, you can say tais-toi s'il te plaît, or s'il vous plaît. Tais-toi, tais-toi, or ta gueule is how to say shut up in French, and now I will do exactly that. Thank you for your support. Merci.